comes Garrett and his boy out for our first riggedy ride together. Yeah. All right. Somewhere, yeah.
Where do you want to go?
I don't care.
Try that side?
Yeah.
You gotta come off something pretty hairy.
Yeah. It'll go this way. Freaking kidding me? Yeah. You been bottoming out at all?
No.
I have. That's deep. Yeah. I'm about to die.
I thought I was just going to try to pull a little wheelie and freaking go through.
Oh man. Such bad timing on my part.
You can come through that rock in like second gear and you'll just glide right on.
Going for it?
It got me that way, so I kind of got me over.
Huh. Go.
It just backs, it just comes right back.
Get out of the way! Oh my gosh. I thought I was gonna catch a rollover.
Well, watch.
Oh my gosh.
See all the freaking metals down there?
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna roll for sure at some point. Yeah, it was. All I could hear is no, he came up right here or something. I got to the top of that. I didn't know it was a freaking drop off right there.
Well, that's it for this one. Garrett and I were not very good riders. I mean, honestly, this is the second ride we've been on together since I think April or May when we went to Moab. We've both been on a couple rides individually, but we're very out of practice, very old, and very not good. Garrett's 14-year-old kid is a lot better than us, and you could make the argument that his bike is about the least great bike for this kind of riding. It's definitely just a race bike, and he's out trying to do technical trails, and he's pretty good at it. Not that these are real technical by the definition that some people go by. We're not out there doing hard enduro or anything like that. We're basically like soft pudgy enduro at this point. But hey, we're trying to get out there, trying to get some dirt bike riding in. We'll make a video of it here and there. We're not going to do a whole lot of content on dirt bike stuff because that's not really the focus of our channel. But I mean, if you want to see more content, let us know. We can certainly make that happen because we do love going out and riding, and it's a good excuse for us to ride more. So anyways, hope you liked it. If not, let us know also. Let us know if you want to see more or if you completely hate it. Either way, let us know. We're always looking for feedback on the channel. Thank you for the support you guys give us. We very much do appreciate it. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to get out and do the things that we love doing. Wouldn't have the machines we have and that kind of stuff. So if you want to help support us some more, hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Also, if you need parts for your motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, whatever, go down into our description down below the video here and hit that Rocky Mountain link. That helps us generate a little income. We get a little cut of anything that you buy on there. It doesn't cost you any more money, but we get a little bit from Rocky Mountain for sending them, for sending you their way. That's what I'm trying to say. So, okay guys, have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.